right? How are you this morning? Good. All right. Yay, 23 now. I will wait 2 more minutes.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning. In the meantime, those who are already here, let's take out your activity book and turn to lesson 8. Okay, today we're gonna do a lot of reading. Lesson 8, page 55. Okay, lesson 8, page 55. Let's just read it first while we are waiting for our friends to join. 25. Probably the weather is so nice and you just need to stay a little bit longer in bed. But it's 8:30, so normally if it's school time, you're supposed to be waking up earlier even. Emily, in 12 minutes. They say 12 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay. Okay, 25. So, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and read the article for you. What can you see in the picture in the activity book, page 52? Is an article or someone writing that about their food. Okay, the first one, it says, my favorite food is fish and chips. Fish and chips is a traditional British dish. It's made from fish and potatoes. There are special shops in Britain that sells fish and chips. We often have fish and chips when we go.
Teacher, what page?
Page 52. Oh, sorry. Page 55. Page 55.
Teacher, sorry, I am late.
Okay, that's okay. Page 55. Okay, now those who just got here, please just read the article first while waiting for your friends to join a class. 28 now, okay. My favorite food is fish and chips. Fish and chips is a traditional British dish. It's made from fish and potatoes. There are special shops in Britain that sell fish and chips. We often have fish and chips when we go to the beach. I love chicken curry. It's a traditional Indian dish. My mom makes it on Sunday. It's made from chicken and spices. Mom puts yogurt in it too. You eat it with rice. It's delicious. Very easy writing, right? Also easy for you to read as well. So now here is the concept map, okay, where they're contained the main ideas and then they branch it out in the little ideas. So I'd like you to read the article and then fill in the blank. Okay, there are 6 blanks altogether. So please do it now.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, how many of you here now? 29.
I
Those,
fin-
what's that?
I'm finished.
You finished too. Those who just got here, you might have no clue what your friend's doing. So please turn to activity book page 53. Okay, page 53. Oh, wait, 55. Page 55 and you need to read an article and then fill in the blank. Okay. Foods that I like, and then fish and chips, right? Fish and chips made from
Make from fish and potatoes.
right, fish and potatoes. Guys, 1 second, someone at the door. Okay. Number 2, fish and chips, traditional, what is it? Traditional,
British dish. Traditional fish and chip.
British, right? And then next one, eat at the where do you eat?
Eat at the beach.
Good. Next one is chicken curry, right? Chicken curry. It's a traditional
Indian dish.
Indian dish. And you eat with?
Rice. Eat with rice.
Right, you eat it with rice and it's made from?
And it's made from chicken and spice.
Chicken, spices, and yogurt.
Yogurt.
Put this back if you don't want to drink it now. Okay, next one.
Not drinking it. Oh.
Put it in the fridge, Emily, it's gonna melt. Okay. Next one is we're gonna study about nutrition. You know what is nutrition?
Yes, I know.
What is it?
Yes.
Sorry. What is the nutrition?
In our body.
What is in our body is wrong.
It's like nutrition from food.
Nutrition. Yes. Nutrition is, you know, things that food had, and when we eat it, we'll obtain it from the food, and it will be good for our health and growth, right? You, especially now, you need to nutrition to grow up and build up your brain and stuff. So everyone, class book page 52. Class book page 52. What do you see on the page? What picture can you see on the page?
Food.
Food, right?
Sausages, mashed potatoes, carrot and broccoli.
Right.
Yogurt. Water, fruit yogurt,
Right,
carrot and broccoli, mashed potato.
right. So these are supposed to be a healthy food instead of just fast food or junk food. You're supposed to have all of this. So today we're gonna learn a little bit of nutrients, and I'd like you to listen. Ready? Everyone on that page, right? Look along.
Yeah.
Listening 2.35. Listen, read, and answer.
Different foods contain different nutrients.
We need to eat a mixture of nutrients every day. Here is a meal with lots of different nutrients in it. It's important to drink lots of water. We need protein to grow and to keep healthy. There is protein in meat, fish, milk, and beans. We need carbohydrate to give us energy. There are two kinds of carbohydrate, sugar and starch. There is starch in bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes. There is some sugar in fruit. There is a lot of sugar in sweets, cakes, biscuits, and ice cream. We shouldn't eat a lot of sugar. We need fat for energy. You find fat in lots of foods. For example, cheese, nuts, meat, biscuits, and ice cream. There are different kinds of fat. We shouldn't eat too much saturated fat, like butter. Unsaturated fat, like olive oil, is healthier. Our bodies need vitamins to function well. We need to eat different kinds of fruit and vegetables because we need different kinds of vitamins. Oranges, kiwis, and peppers have lots of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to protect you from infections. Our bodies need minerals too. Calcium is an important mineral. It helps to keep our bones and teeth strong. There is calcium in milk and cheese. Salt is a mineral, but be careful. We shouldn't eat too much salt. We need fiber to keep our digestive system healthy. There is fiber in fruit and vegetables and cereals. Think about your breakfast. What foods did you eat? What nutrients did they contain?
Right. Did you have your breakfast yet?
Yes. No.
No. Those who have it, what did you have? What did you have for breakfast? Here, this
Egg
is my
fried fish.
egg fries and fish. Wow, that's wonderful. Your
Egg
mom,
cabbage.
that's great. Well, this is my breakfast. It's coffee. I can't live without coffee. So bad children, very bad. You're supposed to wake up and have a breakfast of champion that is contain lots of proteins and carbohydrate. That's enough to drive you through the day. Okay. So do you understand the article?
Yeah.
Do you kind of get it, right? You know protein, right? Protein, the source of proteins help to keep your muscles and your muscles strong, that make you grow. And what? Sorry?
Chicken fries.
You had chicken fries, right? That's the best. I think Thai has like the best breakfast ever, because you know the other country, the breakfast is so blended. You know, you just have cereals and off you go, nothing fancy for breakfast. But Thai has variety of breakfast and it's cheap too. So you guys are lucky. Anyways, protein we have, okay, and then milk, very important for you guys. And carbohydrate, the carbohydrate, there are two kinds of them. There are sugar and starch. Starch is something that is not sweet, right? Like bread, rice, pasta, potatoes, those are called starch. And sugar, if it's in nature, we found it in fruits and some sort of, sweet vegetable. And the refined sugars in sweets, cakes, and today I'm so bad. I had coffee with lots of sugars in it. I told them unsweetened and they forgot, they must have forgotten my order. So doesn't matter. And we shouldn't eat a lot of sugar because sugar is not good for your health. And then we also, during like cold season, we need fat for energy. Fat will burn inside you and keep you warm. That's what it is. But a lot of girls are afraid of fat because they believe that it will make you fat. For a woman at my age, I'm supposed to be afraid of fat because my brain won't grow anymore. But did you know that brain has 60% of fat? And your brain still growing. It's like the fattiest part of the body you have is your brain. They have 60% that's made from fat. So if you stop eating, having fat altogether, that will make you pretty slow and your brain will stop growing and you will not function well. So what you need to learn is to have a healthy fat. A healthy fat is unsaturated fat, which is you can find it in natural, like olive oil, nuts, sometimes in meats. But those unhealthy fat, like saturated fat, it's in butter, cookie, cakes, ice creams. So stay away from that. But the unhealthy food tastes so good, right? The healthy ones always blend. Okay, and our body always needs vitamins to function. I've just read an article where the boy, his diet contains only fries, Pringles, and what others? I think other chips. There's like, and then he becomes blind. He's turning into blind, that he cannot see because he doesn't have enough vitamins as a nutrition to keep his body going. Let me see if I can find this page. Here. Here, there's the news in a while. That was 2019. I wonder if there are any follow-up news. It says a teenager blind from living off crisps and chips. So this boy, he's 17 and he has been having only fries and crisps and Pringles. That's what I heard. And he started feeling unwell since he's 14. He was 14 and then he's pushed it until he's 17 and still keep eating the same thing all the time, not anything else. So his diet is so poor, and then he went to a doctor because he felt sick, and a doctor said that he's about to have a sight, losing his sight. He cannot see, and he's turning into a blind people. So food is very important for you. Better make sure that you have all kind of variety kind of food, and then don't forget fruits and vegetables as well. Now look at the picture, and I'd like you to repeat the vocabularies in this picture.
Listening 2.36. Look at the picture. Listen, repeat, and find.
fat,
Guys, can you say fat?
Fat.
Okay.
starch,
Starch.
Starch.
fiber,
Fiber.
Good.
sugar,
Sugar.
vitamins,
Vitamin.
protein,
Protein.
Good.
calcium,
Calcium.
Good. So, okay. Next page, which is on lesson 10. Read the text again on page 52 and then write true or false. Go ahead.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, let's wait for your friends for a few minutes, okay? Who else has finished?
Me.
So most of you has finished? Okay, let's go then. Number 1, there is protein in fish. True or false? True. Number 2, sugar and starch are kinds of fat. True or false? False. Sugar and starch are kind of carbohydrate, right? Number 3, there is
True.
carbohydrate in rice. True. Number 4, a lot of sugar is good for you.
False.
False. You shouldn't have too much sugar. Number 5, you shouldn't eat a lot of saturated fat.
True.
This one is the unhealthy kind, right? Number 6, there is vitamin C in cheese.
I think false.
False. No vitamin C in cheese. Number 7, all minerals are good for you.
True.
Sorry, it is false. Did you saw the article?
Julian.
The article, it says that too much salt is bad for you. Okay, too much sugar, too much salt, it's all bad for you. Okay, number 8, there is fiber in fruit and vegetables.
True. True.
True. And you should have fiber. Lots of fiber will keep your intestine healthy. All right, for the next activity, this one, we're gonna teach you how to look for the food label. Okay, this one, it says, this one is pizza box, right? And this one is fish fingers. Do you still remember fish fingers? I don't have fish fingers here, but let me see if you know the nutrition facts that on the food labels. Let me.
Yes.
Okay, this one is what I can find. It's in the let me stop share it first. Can you see it? It's like, you know, it's always contains, it's like laws that you're supposed to, the company is supposed to have the nutrition facts stick to the sides of the box, right? And this one, it just says like, you know, per serving per 100 grams. That's like a law that you're supposed to read it through. And now that you have educated yourself, like what kind of food is good for you, so you just look through it and study a little bit about this one. I mean, every sort of, oh, this one is in Thai. It has like, you know.
Yes.
Can you see it? It's like,
Yes.
it's green. So even in Thai, they have to translate it for you guys to read, especially, and it's important for you to eat healthy food. No, to look for the expiring dates. It's put it on over here. That is important for you. I think they have it every day. Emily just wrapped the box. That's why I can't find it. That's okay. That's okay. No, that's all right. No. I just want to show them. That's it. Right. So these are very important for you to be able to read the nutrition facts. And today we're going to listen to 2 kids that is talking about, you know, how much things has contained in that food, right? 1 portion and 100 grams different. 1 portion means, you know, you eat it more than 100 grams. 100 grams, just so small. 1 portion is like a, you know, 1 portion, it's a 1 dish per person. So now let's listen and tell me which food that they're talking about, okay?
Listening 2.37. Listen and say which food.
What are you doing? I'm looking at this food label. Look, there are 12.5 grams of protein in 100 grams. And how much protein is there in 1 portion? 1 portion? 11 grams.
Fish fingers.
Right, it's fish finger, right? How come it suddenly stop audio?
Which food are they talking about?
Yes, it is fish fingers. Good.
How much fat is there in this?
Next one.
I don't know. Look at the label. Okay, let me see. There are 12.6 grams of fat in 1 portion. How much? 12.6 grams.
Which food are they talking about?
Pizza.
It is pizza. Good. I forgot to share the screen. Sorry. All right. Next one.
Let's check the calories in this. Okay. How many calories are there in 1 portion? Wait a minute. 395. Say that again. 395.
Which food are they talking about?
What is it?
Pizza.
Yes, it's pizza.
How much salt is there in this? Look at the label. Okay. 0.8 grams of salt in 100 grams. 0.8 grams. That's a lot.
Which food are they talking about?
Which one?
Fish finger.
Good, that is fish finger. Okay, so do you understand?
Yes.
What we've learned? Because this one is
Yes,
gonna
I
be
think.
a test as well. So everyone, it's been a long time. Please turn on your camera. Only 31 people turn up. So I'd like to
It can.
take a screenshot of you guys. Please turn on your camera.
Cannot turn on the camera.
You cannot turn on the camera. Those who can turn it on,
Yeah.
please turn it on, please. Please hurry up, turn it on. So I can take a picture. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Thank you. Please turn it on. These are 31 students who attend my morning class. Good job. I know it's hard, but you drag yourself off the table, off your bed. Good job. Okay, ready? Ready for the picture? There we go. Thank you. Okay, so far, do you have any questions?
No.
No, right? If you don't understand the article, please go back and read it one more time. And because this article will be in the unit test. However, it is the open book test. So it's important for you to understand. You don't need to memorize it. You just understand the article because you always go back and find out the answers. Okay. So if today you have no questions, I will see you again tomorrow. All right. Bye, guys.
Thank you, teacher Janice. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, teacher Janice.